Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to make some doggy biscuits for my dog. The things you're going to need is a stock cube, carrot, oil, water, tuna, flour, flour, grater, a big bowl, a little pot, a weigh, tablespoon and a can opener. You're going to put your water in your little pot and get it boiling. When your water is boiling, then you need to put it in your big pot. You take your stock cube in the boiling water, mix it. Put your tuna in the water. Put your grated carrots in your bowl. Put 4 tablespoons in your mix. Put 200 grams of flour in. Mix it all together with your mixing. Form your doggy biscuits however you want. I'm gonna form a little bit like this. 12 minutes to 15 minutes.